Are you looking to launch a new business vertical? Introducing Kindgeek's Discovery Phase, a crucial step before development that helps you create an efficient and cost-effective solution for your business needs. The Kindgeek Discovery Phase covers various aspects, including architecture, interfaces, data. By embracing Kindgeek's Discovery Phase, you can reduce uncertainty, optimize development timelines, perform competitor benchmarking, select the right tools and technologies, assess third-party solutions, accomplish gap analysis, stay in line with compliance and regulations. We offer two key packages, Product Audit and Product Discovery. What is the difference? Product Discovery, for businesses willing to refine a product idea to make informed decisions about further development. It includes creating effective development strategies, designing a well-thought-out product architecture, and optimizing resources for maximum efficiency within specific timeframes. Product Audit, for businesses willing to do a comprehensive assessment of the building blocks of an existing product. The package provides actionable insights and a cost-benefit analysis for selecting third parties while optimizing the product's performance, user experience, and business value. With our product discovery and design foundations approach, you will receive valuable assets. These include a click-through UI prototype, development-ready mock-ups, and a comprehensive UI kit. You'll also gain an architecture vision, frameworks and tools, third-party solution assessments, infrastructure vision, an estimate of implementation efforts, a suggested development team composition, and an implementation roadmap. Discover the winning formula for your product with Kindgeek's tailored discovery approach.